Hey everyone, welcome to Pop and Polish. I'm Shannon and this is my first video where I'm showing the face. Oh goodness, we're off to a start, aren't we? Hey everyone, welcome to Pop and Polish. I'm Shannon and this is my first video where I'm showing my face while also doing my nails. We're just going for it today. I do think I know what I want to do, in that I have my colors decided, which I kind of picked out last minute, but that's okay. And we're doing stickers that I got off of Shein. So this came, if you watched my latest nail haul, this came from the most recent nail haul and they're gorgeous. So I actually did the nail set that I'm about to do today the other day on my nails. But I put the stickers on upside down and I just did, anyways, I didn't love what I did or how exactly I executed it. So that's why I want to do it again today and on camera, and we'll just have fun and chat and do it together. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, we're going to start with this really kind of nice, it's not, what do you call it? It's like a taupey with a hint of pink in it, I think. So I'm gonna make this my primary color, and then I'm going to add on some of the nails this really pretty sparkly pink that has a little bit of a corally. And when you see this on top of this, it's really nice. So that's what we're going to do. That's how we're going to get started. It is so hard not to be self-conscious when the camera's on your face, but we're going to learn together. Anyways, where do I want to put this? I'm going to put that right there. I'm always at a struggle with the best way to paint so that everyone can see it, but I think this is going to do. Just on a hand down, zoom in. So I've mentioned this in like a very early video, but I am like extremely new to nail art in terms of doing it myself. So I'd been getting my nails done professionally for many years and like obsessed with all things nails. But I only started doing it myself recently, and it really has just been a passion project that, I don't know, there's just something about having a creative outlet and doing something that you enjoy for yourself, even if it doesn't make sense to other people. And that's very much how I feel about my nails, or doing my nails and having this channel. It has become the most wonderful, creative, relaxing, fun outlet over the past 2 months. And already the community that is growing, and people are so I don't know, people are just awesome and motivating and encouraging and supportive. I mean, obviously there's always the odd person that isn't, but I ignore them. But this has been such a fabulous, why is that doing that? Why is it doing that? What did I do that it's doing that? Okay, if you know why my nail polish is doing that, can you tell me in the comments? What the hell? I'm just gonna hope it figures itself out on the, none of the others did that. What is on my nail that is happening? Guys, we're off to a rocky start here today. I'm just going to ignore everything and power through. Honestly, I'm annoyed because I've just had a hard time. I tried a new nail glue today and I struggled because with the application, it was just new. It was messy, it was new, and I didn't have a good time. And I struggled the most getting my thumbs on. And so that's really annoying me. Okay, whatever. We're curing this. Okay, so now we're gonna put on a second coat. Hope for the best here, like I said. Already feeling a little demoralized from that. Whatever. Let's put on a second coat, see how it looks, and go from there. When you're as new as I am, literally everything is just a learning process. And you know what? Today we're just gonna learn a whole bunch of things together. We're gonna learn, why is my nail doing that funny thing? And we're going to learn if I can put my stickers on the right side up. And we're going to learn if I can manage 2 cameras on the first try and how this video will even turn out. So lots to learn today, and that's fine. Yeah, I'm digging this for a nice kind of, I don't know, this looks festive to me. I smile as I say that because I believe I can make any color look festive if I'm being honest. But the vibe I want this week for myself is like subtle Christmas. Okay, I did that one, and now let's try this thumb again. Please don't be weird again. I can't mentally take it. I don't know. It's like, is it doing it? I wonder if it'll do it on my other thumb too. Also, I hope my sound is okay. I have like a decent mic, but I used to use it for other purposes, i.e. podcast recording. I used to have a podcast. But it's something, if the sound needs to be improved, I will fix it next time. But hopefully it's fine. Ooh, I'm so digging this. I'm so digging this color. Okay. Second layer seems to be fine, so crisis averted. Now, let's cure it. Okay. While 2 coats looks good, I think 3 might be better. So I'm gonna do 1 more coat of this color before I put on the sparkle and start with the, put on the stickers. So on my channel, I do like hand-drawn nail art most of the time, just not on my own hands, because I'm still really new to like applying gel tips and stuff, and I'm not consistent in having them stay on for as long as I'd like. And so it's really demoralizing when you put a lot of effort into your nail art, hand-drawn nail art on your own hands, and it just like pops off and you have to redo it because like you did the whole set. So until I get better at my nails adhering consistently well, I'm going to do stickers on my own nails and then do my hand-drawn nail art on like press-on type things, and do that kind of as separate videos. Like I've done them, the other ones are kind of like that. It's a mixture of doing my own hand and just painting on the things. Guys, words are not wording. They are hard when you're on camera and painting. It's fun times. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, let's cure this and then we'll add some glitter. Let's think about this. I want to do a sticker on my thumb, and I want to do a sticker, I think, on the middle, and then I think I'm going to do glitters and a mat. I'd have to get my mat out. Or stickers, 2 glitters, and a that. I'm going to do glitter, glitter, mat, that. Okay. I think we have a plan. Don't mess up, Shannon. Don't mess up. You're on camera. where I always fear I mess up is that I'll say I want to do one thing and then I'll just do something else. Because that's just how we roll. Okay. I think we'll do one more coat of the glitter. I don't know. I really like the subtle, and I'm afraid if I do another layer of it, maybe it'll be more than I actually want. You know what? I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave that. I think I like it. Okay. So now I'm going to put these stickers on these two fingers. On these two fingers. Okay. So I think what I did want to do is I think I want to do this tree on my thumb, and then I think I want to do, I can't decide if I want to do that wreath or the bow. I think I want to do the wreath. That's what I think I want to do. Okay. I want to put these so that when I'm like this, they look right side up. Last time I put them so I can only view them if they were like that, and I didn't like that. So let's do this properly this time around, Shannon. So let's go and do this. Oh wait, that's pretty too. No, I want this one. Okay. So now, how do we get this on that way? Oh my, guys. Oh no. Oh no. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing with our lives? Okay, this is not. Ugh, okay. This is so awkward. There's got to be a better way. Maybe not holding it from the top, but this is just what we're gonna do for now. Why? Because we're learning. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay. I'm happy with that placement, given how awkward it was to put on. I'm gonna smooth it down. Okay, cute. Mega. Super mega cute. Okay. Now we're gonna get a wreath on, and I think I'm gonna learn from my lesson. No, the wreath will just be easier regardless. So let's get this wreath right here. Cute. And we're putting that on the middle finger. Try to get it so you can see me putting it on. All right, I think that's okay. Not real much I can do about it at the second, but yay. Okay, I'm thrilled. Oh, so happy with that. Yay. Zoom out. What do you think? Isn't that cute? I'm a big fan. Big fan. Okay, so now we're gonna top coat it, and that's one hand done. What simple, not basic. Nothing I do is basic. But what an easy to do and beautiful and classy Christmas. Like if you don't feel like screaming. For a second, I thought I'd grab the matte top coat. Don't worry, it's glossy. Okay, so anyways, if you're not you don't always want to do like the big red and green, right? Like you don't always want, and I always said I might matte that, but you know what? I don't want to know. Or I'm just not gonna. But you don't always want the red and green, and you don't always want it to look so like super in your face Christmas. But at the same time, you want some festive. And this, to me, is like wonderfully festive, but like you kind of have to get up close to see it. Not to see it, but to really get the festive. So I don't know, to me it just works. Just really, really works. Especially because it's still the last week of November. And again, I've been into Christmas for weeks now, but I get a lot of people are just starting getting into Christmas or don't really like getting into Christmas till this time, like the last week of November or the first week of December. So this could be a really good nail solution or nail art solution for transitioning your nails from like November, late autumn nail art to festive. You can take a little stop in between. Okay, we're gonna cure this. Okay, so look who didn't mess up. Look who has her stickers going in the right direction. And I think that is gorgeous. Like, I don't know, tell me what you think in the comments, but if you don't like it, you're wrong, they're gorgeous. But let me know what you think. Tell me in the comments what you think, what you think of me trying to film 2 cameras. How did I do? All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, you should definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Definitely consider hitting that notification bell so you can catch more nail art, more fun times, more Shannon. And I'll catch you in the next video. I hope that you are having a beautiful day wherever you are in this beautiful world. And I'll talk to you soon.